Hi guys, welcome to my channel Cooking Diaries. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy almond cake. It's perfectly balanced, it's not overly sweet, it goes excellent with your cup of coffee or tea, and the best part is it's gluten free and nobody would ever know. So without further delay, let's get started. To make this cake we would need 1.5 cups of almond flour, half a cup of regular sugar, 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, pinch of salt, 4 large eggs at room temperature, some vanilla for flavoring, and we'll be using zest from one entire lemon. First I'm going to separate egg whites and egg yolks into 2 separate bowls. Next to these egg yolks I'm going to add the sugar, a little bit of vanilla, and beat them with my electric mixer until our egg yolks are light and pale in color. And it took less than couple minutes guys. My eggs are almost doubled in volume, sugar is all dissolved, and they are nice and pale in color. Now to this egg yolks mixture we will add our almond flour and zest of an entire lemon. Don't skip on adding this lemon zest because that lemon zest adds a nice flavor to the cake. Now using a spatula try to mix this all. Alright, now let's keep this aside and move on to our egg whites. Let's add the pinch of salt to egg whites. Now we are going to beat egg whites with electric mixer until soft peaks are formed. Alright, here we have it guys. After beating it for 2 to 3 minutes, our egg whites are ready. Now let's bring the almond mixture. So we are going to add our egg whites to our almond mixture in batches and mix that all in so that we don't lose the volume that we added to our egg whites. After mixing egg whites into the batter, we have a nice cake batter ready guys. Now let's pour this into the cake pan. So here I have a 9-inch spring pan that I sprayed with some cooking spray and put a parchment paper in there. I'm going to add batter to it now. Try to smooth it out as much as you can. Next we are going to add our sliced almonds on top. And once the cake is baked, these almonds on top, they give nice crunch and flavor to the cake. It's just so good guys. Alright, this is going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes guys. The cake would be ready by then. You would notice it's golden brown on top and it's ready to touch. Alright, my cake baked exactly for 30 minutes guys, and I let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes on the counter here, and it smells so good guys. While cake is still warm, I'm able to handle this easily, so I am going to remove it from the pan and place it onto our cake stand. Once the cake cools down completely, go ahead and dust it with some powdered sugar. You could add as much or as little of powdered sugar as you want. The cake itself is not super sweet, so amount of powdered sugar is up to your preference. And I'm also going to add few slices of lemon on top of it to garnish the cake. This is just going to make it look prettier. And also when people look at the cake, it tells that there is a lemon in it. Now let's cut a piece guys. And it's time for taste test, my favorite part. The cake is crumbly and it just melts in the mouth. The lemon flavor is coming through. It is an excellent complement with your cup of coffee or tea. This is a beautiful almond cake guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button so that I will see you in another video. Until then, bye.